Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi traditional way. Rinse and halve your cabbage, then layer coarse salt between leaves to draw out moisture and soften cores. While the cabbage brines, chop scallions, daikon, garlic, and ginger finely. Combine red pepper flakes with fish sauce or salted shrimp to form a paste, and mix thoroughly so each leaf will get even seasoning. After you salt the cabbage, check it every hour until leaves bend easily and cores feel soft when pressed. Rinse the cabbage several times under cold water until the saltiness is balanced but not gone. Taste a small bit to ensure a pleasant brine remains. Drain and squeeze gently to remove excess water, then set the cabbage aside on a tray ready for stuffing with the spicy, aromatic paste later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more detailed kimchi guides. Quick recommendation: for storing your kimchi, consider those leak-proof containers that keep flavors sealed and make portioning simple, perfect for the fridge or taking to work. They stack neatly and prevent spills when jars are full of juices. Check the description for the container link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Combine gochugaru with minced garlic and ginger, then add fish sauce or salted shrimp and a touch of sugar to round flavors. Stir until you achieve a thick, spreadable paste that clings to vegetables. Toss shredded radish and scallions into the paste, using gloves to protect hands from staining and spice. Work the mixture into each cabbage leaf, spreading evenly so the fermentation will produce consistent taste and texture throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.